Okay, here we have video number 5, I think, or is it 6, and where we discuss, where I show the next kind of analysis stages of this. We've transcribed the line, we've tokenized it, we've made a diplomatic text, normalized it, linked or cut up the image to correspond to each particular token, and now we're looking at the lemmatization process. And what we do here is to click on the lemma button, lemmas here, and what that does is it looks up each of these word forms to see what the most common lemmas are for them. This is done asynchronously, so it kind of comes up in different orders. And this lists them statistically. So the most common word this is the conjunction ok, which is fair enough, it's extremely common. But here we have to make the decision that reid is not the adjective, but in fact the verb. So I set the second most common form for this. But we click on reader here, and so on. We can go through the rest of these. And then looking up the linguistic analysis is also very simple. Conjunctions obviously are not much interest to us, but if you click on this button, you get the results of the corpus search, which looks for this form reid, for this verb, and shows us what the most common analysis of it is. And in fact, in this instance, it is probably preterite third person singular, the verb. And likewise with vildi from Vilja, we can use the green highlighted suggestions to work out, to analyze it. And drepa here, you can see the infinitive form is highlighted green. And in most cases, that's right. But we're always asking the user to confirm these suggestions. And here, I have to come up with a slightly faster way of looking up the very common things like pronouns, but I assume that it will find this as masculine nominative, but here it's in fact accusative, but the human can work that out, singular. And you'll notice that everything is saved as we go here, as you go through the text. In the next little video, I'll show you how we can use this material.